BVND is a proud family-run business where you can still talk to the boss. They've been in the industry for longer than most and have supplied equipment to many of the world's biggest events. They work closely with customers and tailor make and build to order. The company only partners with suppliers of integrity who manufacture products of absolute quality. The company is well known for being reliable, but more importantly, they are flexible and they make things happen. They do things quickly and they meet their deadlines. In short, BVND is a trusted company that should most certainly be considered if you have a requirement for strong connectors that can handle large amounts of power. And by the way, thanks for checking out this site.